This is Jewish Vampire, here with my bike check. At the top, we got blue ODI grips and white ODI bar ends. And we got some Eastern Wonder Year bars, working pretty good. And a demolition stem. And then we got the Chris King headset with some kink volt forks and some HP tires. And then for my front hub, I got a Primo. And going down the frame, I got the 2006 Eastern Reaper Alpha. Didn't come out yet. And then for my pedals, I got some Odyssey pedals. They're white. And then on this side, I got an HB stock crank. And on the inside, I got an Eastern crank. And then for my sprocket, I got an Eastern Medusa sprocket. For the chain, I have a KMC Cool chain, half link. And for the driver, it's just a regular old driver with another Primo in the back and a chain tire. It's dirt. And that's my bike check. Is that the end of it?